Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this espresso makeup look. It's going to be a trend in 2024, so just go flaunt it. It's all about the browns and it just looks gorgeous. But before we start, let me talk about the serum that I have been absolutely loving. You know, with age, dark spots, acne and dullness become major problems for our skin. Trust me, I know. And luckily I do have a solution for these. Here's Mamaearth Vitamin C Daily Glow Serum. It has the power of 50 times vitamin C along with niacinamide and turmeric. The 5% niacinamide in this serum promotes even skin tone and turmeric revives natural glow. Oh my god, this is so lightweight and absorbs so fast. It contains no toxins or harmful chemicals. For best results, you can use it twice a day. So I've been using this serum for almost a month now and this is almost over, so I got another one for me. With your every purchase on Mamaearth's website, Mamaearth plants a tree on your behalf. These are available online at Nykaa, Amazon, Purple and Flipkart and stores near you. Use code SUSH2024 to get 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app only. Check the links in the description. And now let's get started. So I'm just going to start with this makeup look by spraying a primer mist. Then I am going to apply my favorite moisturizer and moisturize the whole face. Next, I'm going to apply a mattifying primer on some areas of my face. Then I'm going to take 2 shades of foundation and mix it for the perfect shade. It's like a very light foundation. So I'm just going to apply it with my hands. And look how glowy my face already looks. I'm just going to apply a concealer to cover my dark circles and then just quickly blend it with my beauty sponge. Next, I'm going to apply a loose powder under my eyes to set my concealer. So our base is done and it looks really nice. Now let's move on with the eyes. So this look is called Espresso Look and it's all about browns. So let's go ahead with a brown crease shade. The first shade that we're going to take is this shade. This is a medium brown shade and we'll apply it in the crease area. So we're just going to pick up the product, deposit most of the product on the outer corners of our eyes and then slowly move in to the inner corners. Now we're going to apply this dark brown shade to the entire lid. Apply most of the color and then we will blend it. Now we're going to take the same blending brush that we applied it on our crease and we're going to blend it really nicely. Just be careful so that there are no harsh lines between the two colors. Now we're going to apply this muted brown shade and we're going to take it and apply it on the lower lash line. Just let it be like that. I don't know if I should keep it matte or I should add a sparkle or something on my eyelids. I think I'm going to add a sparkly shade on my eyelids. So I'm going to take this shade. It's a really pretty shade and I'm going to apply this in the middle of my eyelids, just very lightly, just a touch of the color. Actually, I'm going to apply it throughout the lid. It looks prettier that way. I like it. I'm going to take a brown kajal and apply it like a liner, just to add a little bit of more depth. So just like that, and I'm also going to add it on my lower lash line and then just blend it with my fingers. Just like that. And apply mascara and also on my bottom lash line. Okay, now I'm going to contour my face. For this look, I would suggest you use a cooler contour shade than a warmer one. So this one is a cooler shade, this one is a warmer shade. So for this look, I'm using this shade, which is a little bit more cooler. And I'll also apply it on my jawline. For my blush, I am going to use a cream blush, which is like a more of brown than of peach and pink. So I'm just going to take some at the back of my hand. I'm just going to mix this blush with a little bit of my moisturizer. It becomes a little bit more creamier and easier to apply. See, it just applies so much more smoother. And I would also bring it on my nose for that sun-kissed look. And then just apply a little, whatever's left, on the sides of my forehead. That's about it. And now for the lipstick, I'm just going to take a chocolate shade, like a pure brown shade, and then apply it on my lips. and then blend it with my fingers. And then I'm also going to add this brown shade and apply it on my lips. Last but not the least, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows. And now I am going to use a highlighter. Just gonna apply the highlighter on the top of my cheekbones, middle of my forehead, nose and chin. Also on my brow bone area, and also the inner corners of my eyes. So that is it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then do share this video and like and subscribe too. Most of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, guys, and it just breaks my heart. So please subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.